Hello everyone. So in the previous lecture we saw these things for the website application development. So let's move towards the further topic, which may include the GitHub collaboration. Okay. GitHub collaboration. I have explained about the project, how to upload it on a GitHub. Like not it was not so depth because I am also not very aware of that concept. So what I am going to share with you is I had three projects. One is in PHP, then second project is in Java, third is in C Sharp. PHP project content means the project title is nearby service provider. The Java's project title is payroll employee payroll system, and C Sharp. Sorry, this is in C Sharp. Employee payroll system is the project made in C Sharp. And in Java, there is one pomegranate market billing system. If you observe the similarity in the three projects, there is CRUD operations that is similar in all of the projects. CRUD operations. What is CRUD operations? It is C means create, R means read, U means update, and D means delete. Basically, there is a code which we have to write it to perform this kind of operations mm, on a form which is a web form actually, where it will take some input data and then we are going to perform the operations on that data. Like for example, if we start with PHP, Java or C Sharp, the syntax is different in three of these languages. Not so much of differences is found, but like it's similar. See, what are root operations? Basically, we have to write the queries, SQL queries. Which includes insert, update, delete, and fourth, grid view. I am explaining here these operations to make your to make any project. So to start, making a project. There is some kind of code for this. Initially, we will study the SQL queries inside these four CRUD operations, which I used to insert data, which I used to update data or delete data or show the data from the database. Here comes the another part, second, third part of that is database. Basically, in PHP we use database PHP MyAdmin. For Java, for my project I have used MS SQL. Sorry, for Java also PHP MyAdmin and C Sharp for C Sharp, which is a .NET framework. I think for that I have used the uh, database which is MS SQL. So basically, the structured query language, the database language we are going to use is SQL. And there is one another kind of database which is NoSQL, which includes not only SQL. There is something more than SQL. That is, it is used in complex data management systems. Okay. So this was all for the today, which includes the overview. In the next lecture, we must read code or find some way to understand similar concepts. Right. Thank you.